Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to put audio spectrum in video in CapCut. So first, let's open CapCut and click New Project. So you just have to put or choose any video. So to put audio spectrum in this video, you just have to search for stickers and click stickers and search for audio. Oops. And choose this one. So as you can see, it's playing or it's animating. So just click this check button here. And if you want to make it longer, you can just make it longer by doing this. So as you can see, it's playing with the video. So that's it, guys. That's how you put audio spectrum in video in CapCut. Thanks for watching.